Samsung has officially begun rolling out a major software update for one of its most popular smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. If you own this device and live in parts of Asia, including India, or in Europe, this update could already be waiting for you. The company is pushing the Wear OS 6-based One UI 8 watch update to non-cellular variants of the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. The rollout includes both size options. The smaller 42mm model is receiving firmware version R880XXU1JYK4, while the larger 46mm version is getting R890XXU1JYK4. This is a substantial update, coming in at around 1.7 gigabytes, and it also includes the October 2025 security patch, ensuring improved protection and system stability even 4 years after the watch first launched. If you're eligible, checking for the update is simple. On your watch, head to Settings, tap Software Update, and select Download and Install. You can also install it using the Galaxy Wearable app on your paired smartphone. Now, let's talk about what's new. One UI 8 watch brings a redesigned user interface that feels cleaner and more modern. Notifications have been reworked, making them easier to read and respond to. Samsung has also improved the way users interact with messages, offering faster and more intuitive reply options. Customization gets a major boost as well. Users can now create custom tiles using widgets, allowing quick access to the information they care about most. Samsung has also added double pinch gestures, enabling hands-free actions, a particularly useful feature during workouts or when your hands are busy. Another noticeable change is the revamped app drawer. You can now choose between a grid layout or a list view, giving you more control over how apps are displayed. One of the standout additions is Now Bar. This new feature intelligently displays ongoing activities like music playback, timers, stopwatches, and workouts, all in one convenient place for quick access. Health and wellness see meaningful upgrades. The update introduces Bedtime Guidance, helping users improve sleep routines, along with new mindfulness features designed to support mental well-being. However, there's an important note for longtime users. One UI 8 watch is widely expected to be the final major software update for the Galaxy Watch 4 series. Launched back in mid-2021, this lineup has received years of support, and this update marks the end of its major upgrade journey. Still, it's an impressive send-off, delivering modern features, refreshed visuals, and improved usability to a smartwatch that continues to hold its own in 2025. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech news and updates.